AWS IAM controls who can do what in your environment, and that makes it the most important security service in your AWS account. Here's what you need to know. Identity and Access Management controls authentication, that is identifying users and applications in your environment, as well as authorization, which is determining what actions they can take in your environment when it comes to permissions. The key thing to note is that all API requests to AWS go through IAM, so it's important to get it right if you want things to work. You can think of AWS IAM as the bouncer, which is allowing or disallowing requests into your environment based on some conditions. When it comes to authentication, you have principals. These are things like IAM users that have a username and password, or potentially IAM roles that have a trust policy. And these are the things that are allowed to take action in your AWS environment. On top of that, you've got authorization or access control. And this is what actions those principals are allowed to take. Can they read things? Can they delete things? The reason why this is important is that it's up to you how your AWS environment is configured, and Identity and Access Management is how you do that. It's important to get this right because if you don't, then bad things can happen in your AWS environment, unfortunately. Take, for example, reading objects in an S3 bucket. It might be perfectly fine for one of your principals or users to do it. It might be a bad thing if one of the other ones does it, especially accidentally. So this is why it's important that you understand what IAM does and how to use it.